Hey guys, Gary from PixieKits.com and DIY Electronics. Today what I want to go over with you guys, in case you're having a problem with it, is the Baofeng knockoff programming cables. These are the ones that are non-branded, and I believe they're called the Wouxon black cable. And the firmware for them are very, very hard to find unless when you bought this cable that you saved that disc. If you got rid of the disc for any reason, or it's lost somewhere in your shack, you're going to have to buy a new cable, because this is not the prolific chip that a lot of the Baofeng has in it. You know, the Baofeng programmer cables have. This is some other off-brand, and Wouxon, sometimes they would send the disc out, and sometimes they would just send you a link, and that link is no good anymore. But I did find the firmware, and I'm going to share that with you. I'm going to post it on my website, and I'm going to leave you a link down below for it. So how I found out was my Windows 10 computer was getting jammed up, and I cleaned it completely out. I got rid of Chirp because when I got rid of Chirp, I did that because I was going to upgrade to Chirp next. So I wanted to get rid of the old Chirp anyways. So just the last couple of days, I started doing some programming on my Baofengs, and I said, oh, I want to try out Chirp again. So I uploaded Chirp next, and my radio, it just would not see my radio. I'm like, what the heck, is it Chirp next causing the problem? So I upgraded the old just Chirp and did the same thing, and then it dawned on me. I was like, oh my gosh, I wiped out my computer and I lost the drivers for the old Wouxon cable. So I tried Chirp next with the new style. I don't know what you call this thing. That's for the new Baofeng UV9R Pro. I love this radio. That's a nice radio. That's a discussion for another day. But it doesn't use the pin anymore. It uses this touchpad type thing. All right. I mean, there's your old Baofeng, and this is the new for the 9R Pro, and it works on Chirp and Chirp Next no problem. And that is the prolific chip in it. This one is not the prolific chip. So if you do have the old black Wouxon black cable programmer and you ever lose that firmware, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can get it. It's on my website. I'm going to leave it under my software tag. And that will get you up and going again. But again, guys, what I did is when I wiped out my computer, I wiped out Chirp, I wiped out the programming cable and everything. So when, again, I tried to, program a radio today, I lost the drivers. So it took me a while. I found the drivers. It's called a black Wouxon cable, and I'm going to leave you the firmware on my website. Thanks for watching, guys. Ring the bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. Talk to you later.